Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to you all. We are here to explain the parts and the formula of the volume of the rectangular pyramid. So first, the rectangular pyramid has the highest point or peak called apex. And we have edges. We will count how many edges does a rectangular pyramid have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Rectangular pyramid has 8 edges. We also have here a base. It is a flat surface from which a triangular faces rises to meet at a single point called apex. We also have here vertices. It is where the edges meet. Okay. So for getting the volume of the rectangular pyramid, we must first get the area of the base. So for example, length is equals to 10 centimeter and width is equals to 5 centimeter. So we need to write the formula first. A is equals to length times width and substitute it. So after substituting, we need to multiply it. 10 centimeter times 5 centimeter is equals to 50 centimeter square.
So now let's solve the volume for getting the rectangular pyramid. The general volume for getting pyramids is volume. Volume equals area of the base times height. Now, for example, height is equals to 20 centimeters. Now, let us substitute. The area of our base is equals to 50 centimeters squared and our height is equals to 20 centimeters. Now, 50 centimeters squared times 20 centimeters is equals to 1,000 cubic centimeters. So the volume of our rectangular pyramid is equals to 1,000 cubic centimeters.
Okay, cut down. Wait lang.
Tapos na.
Then, here is our final answer. Thank you for listening. And we hope that you learned something from us.
Yes.
Thank you.